Before we start, I would like to make it clear that this video is not sponsored by Shopee. With the advanced technology growth, the nature of shopping also has changed day by day significantly. Advancement of e-commerce has brought about a revolution in shopping where customers are taking pleasure in new shopping experience like never before. One of them is being very cheap and convenient. Welcome to Menace. Today, we are going to take a look around Shopee, one of the most popular e-commerce in Asia, for 5 types of items that are probably cheaper than your local stores. Number 1. Computer accessories. Ranging from the computer mouse to a secondary monitor, Shopee has a lot to offer in this category, often far more cheaper than what we can get from our local IT store. For an example, this gaming keyboard and gaming mouse can cost you around 50 ringgit to 100 ringgit at your local store. But as you can see, both of them only cost you around 20 ringgit on Shopee. What a steal! Now, can you guess how much this wireless mouse costs? It's only 7 ringgit and 88 cents. Number 2. Home and living. This is one of the most vast category in Shopee. There are even more stuff your local store did not provide with a cheaper price. If you love to decorate your living room, bedroom or kitchen, you're gonna love scrolling through this category. Take a look at this string light. They even have multiple selection of colors to choose from. Can your local store beat that price? I doubt it. The cheapest you can get is 10 ringgit from a cheap store. And this shoe rack. Where can you get a simple and beautiful shoe rack like this for only 14 ringgit and 90 cent? Shopee, of course. This is just one of the examples. Next is pet products. This goes especially for dog and cat lovers. You can find a lot of unique products for your pets on Shopee. Look at this cat mane for an instance. Even if your local pet shop do sell this mane, I bet the price will not be below 10 ringgit. But you can get this mane for your kitty for only 7 ringgit and 30 cent in Shopee. I bet most cat lovers know this dry food at this point. This cat food usually sells for 3 ringgit and 50 cents at any pet shop, and the cheapest will be 3 ringgit. You can save more when you buy on Shopee. Just Spray is also a popular product among pet owners. This product usually costs around 20 ringgit to 25 ringgit, but here on Shopee, you can get it for 16 ringgit or maybe lower. Number 4. Collectibles. This one is especially for people who likes to collect action figures, toys, keychains of your favorite movies, animes, and cartoons. If you want to save a couple hundreds on action figures, Shopee is the way to go. Just take a look at the price of this Spider-Man Homecoming action figure. With multiple articulations, you can get it with only 40 ringgit and a guaranteed free shipping. I have seen some hobby stores sell the same quality action figure for 150 ringgit. If you're a fan of Deadpool, you can get this action figure for only 55 ringgit. That is a cheap price if you're an action figure collector. For the same quality, this can cost up to 200 ringgit. Look how much you can save with Shopee. Harry Potter fans, I don't know if you already knew this, but you can buy replica wands of your favorite characters with the price of 17 ringgit. I have bought one of these myself for a friend. I can assure you the quality is very fantastic. They made the one from real woods. And the last one is the groceries. Why bother going to the supermarket when the postman can send all your needs to your doorstep? I know most of the grocery products on Shopee have almost the same price at the supermarket, but there are still things that are cheaper and unavailable at the supermarket that do exist on Shopee. For an example, this Milo cube, which you can get not more than 12 ringgit. It is very rare for a supermarket in Malaysia to sell this product, although at some point you may have heard of this or eat this cube. If you're looking for this, I would recommend you to buy it online because it is not easy to look for and not as cheap if you ever found it. The most famous hot ramen samyang is also one of the most sought after product. Most supermarkets sell this instant ramen with the price ranging from 20 ringgit to 30 ringgit. Here in Shopee, you can get this Korean ramen a little cheaper than usual, just a bit cheap. The best part of buying it on Shopee is that you can mix and match the flavors which you cannot do at the supermarket. There you have it, 5 types of items that are probably cheaper on Shopee than your local store. So, what can we learn from this video? For me, it can teach us to be a smart consumer, take advantage of what we can choose as a consumer. It's good to compare prices online or offline with the considerations of shipping, safety, and quality. Also, Shopee may have provided us with cheaper price, but it is also important for us as a community to support local stores, especially smaller stores like that small pet shop in your town. Remember, when looking at the slightly expensive price at a small store, you are paying more to help a father or a mother to feed his or her family. And with that, you can be a better Malaysian. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, push the like button, and let's talk about your online shopping experience down below. Or if you have any suggestions, feel free to leave your comments below. Bye for now.